Where to learn? Amazon FBA. You can learn Amazon FBA through official Amazon Seller University tutorials, online business courses, and hands-on learning from trusted e-commerce tools like Helium 10. These resources cover every aspect of FBA, from product research and listing optimization to inventory management and advertising strategies, making it easy to start even if you're a beginner. The best way to learn effectively is by combining structured lessons with real-time practice. Platforms and YouTube channels dedicated to FBA offer free step-by-step lessons, while tools like Helium 10 provide real market data and product insights that help you understand how FBA actually works in live conditions. Helium 10 is widely used by both beginners and top sellers to master Amazon FBA through its training materials, webinars, and analytics suite. Its Freedom Ticket course teaches everything from product sourcing to scaling your business. Many successful Amazon sellers credit Helium 10 for helping them learn FBA strategies and apply them profitably. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you direct access to FBA training tools, product research insights, and expert lessons to help you learn and succeed on Amazon faster than ever before.